Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this, and this one we can put like this. Next we need to change the bounds when s approaches to number 0. So we can see that Fn number 5 that is about positive. So this is from the positive go to number 0. That means they go from the 0 on the right. So because they go to on the right, but we have negative number 9. So we put number 0 on the right going here. And this one we can see that u will go to negative infinity when s equals to Fn number 5. So we put Fn number 5 going here, and we got about u equals to negative number 9 over Fn number 5. So this one we change for negative infinity. Fn number 5 that is about this one. So this one we change for u. This one with the s we change for the u. Next, the integration of this one we have like this, and we put the bounds from negative infinity to this one. So we need to put the value going here. So in this one I will use about limit 8 approach to negative infinity. So that means we have e to the power of 8. So if we know that when I go to negative infinity, e to the power of 8, this one you got number 0. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.